Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another Fast and the Friday. I've got a couple of plumbing projects that I have to get done in the house. I figured I'd take you guys along. Let's go. Oh, let me get on the ground here. All right. So what we're gonna do first is I want to swap out faucets. My bathroom faucet is old, dated, and just nasty, and I'm going to swap it out for a new Moen. I'm sure most of you guys have swapped out faucets in the past. It's kind of a no-brainer. Every homeowner should be able to swap out a faucet, so I'm not really going to walk you around that. Not too much at all. But we are gonna need something because these bags can never open them. So there we go. All I need is the washers, the nuts, and we are golden. It's all the bit of hardware we need. And of course our brand new Moen. Nice faucet, really nice faucet. And I'll show you what we're getting rid of. That old ugly thing. I can't find seats for it anymore, so that's going way to dodo. All right, let me try and get my abnormally large body in this little tiny cabinet. And we'll start taking things apart. Ugh. Get the water shut off. The main has been shut off already because I got to change the cartridge in our shower. So that cartridge has been changed, or the water's been turned off already. Let me get these popped loose. These are the supply lines. No room. No room for a full-figured man. Story of my life. Alright, so we got the old faucet off. This is a Union brass. Gonna have to scrape the old silicone off there. I really did a good job of siliconing this. Nothing leaked inside the cabinet. So we don't need silicone on this one. It's got a neoprene gasket. That again is going to stop the water from going into the cabinet base. So this fits absolutely fine, but I have to press it back against the wall, back towards the bore in the sink, just because the base is so large. Just letting you guys know what I'm doing, you know. Getting these started are always the worst. I want to use the old ones, the old plastic, if the thread pattern matches, and it does, good. Because I don't like those, I don't like this, the steel locking nuts on there. Because if any moisture does get down around it, I don't want it to rust out. So like I said, I'm using the old nuts versus this new stuff. This is more of a stainless coating. I wouldn't even call it stainless. I just call it crap metal. These wind up rusting out so fast. The brass is good, but these, they're not worth a shit. So I usually don't use those. But I am going to use the rubber washer, and I am going to use the old nuts for this faucet. Super tight. That ain't going nowhere. Alright, time to put the supply lines back on. Climb back under. Yeah. All right. So I have leftover brand new stainless lines. Could save those for a rainy day. Clean up my little bit of residual water that came out of the supply lines. I can't test this for leaks yet because I do have the water main shut off. So let's start on the shower cartridge. Give me a minute, I'll get reset up. Please forgive me while I figure this out. Probably very boring. No, it should be metric. And I don't have metric. shit. That's not what we wanted. Rubber gaskets are stopping me from getting this thing out. There we go. Ridiculous, right? All that for no damn reason. Here is the new cartridge. New pin. And of course, plumber's grease for the gaskets. Put a little plumber grease on the gasket. There is some factory grease on there already, but I like putting it on the gasket, putting it on the O-ring. It's clean in there, I can see that. I'm just going to see which side is hot and which side is cold. Hot and cold. Okay. It's got to go in that way. Okay. Clip is in. That ain't going anywhere. Sorry guys, I am a trained professional, I really am. Just I'm doing this on a Saturday. Brain's not there. All right. No water dripping out. All right. We did good on that one. Let's check the sink. Turn the supplies back on. The silicone out of the sink. No drips. Angle stops are dry. We are good. Yeah. That one's a lot better looking than the other one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. We got a couple of the household projects done that needed to get done. I've been putting them off for far too long. The bathroom vanity faucet, that thing is absolutely awesome. That's a Moen commercial grade. We should have no problems with that at all. And the shower diverter cartridge, that thing came out in about 50 pieces. We got all of it out. Put in a new cartridge. That thing is jam up, doesn't leak around there anymore. That thing's been leaking for quite some time, and I should have fixed it a long time ago, but you know how it goes. A plumber's house has leaky pipes, a carpenter's house is falling apart, a mechanic's vehicles don't run, you know? I mean, it's just one of those things. I am going to sit back, relax, and enjoy a nice adult beverage. That's it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.